You think Canva is just drag and drop templates? Not even close. Most people don't realize Canva is hiding a pro-level tools right under their nose. In this video, I'll uncover some of Canva's coolest secret features that can transform the way you design and save you a ton of time. Hi everyone, welcome back to Brand Locally. So for today, I'm going to show you the coolest secret features of Canva. It's called Vectorizer. Let's dive in. So let's just open up our Canva right here. So just attach any photo that you want, maybe a photo of yourself, photo of your family member, friends, or whatever you like. So I have a photo right here of a girl that I just saw on Google. So what we're going to do is we click the photo and click edit right here. So we're just gonna scroll down right here and apps and see all. As you can see, there's a lot of applications here, but we're gonna do Vectorizer now. So we have two color mode right here, keep color and also binary color. So for keep colors, we're just gonna make it vectorized but the same color. So let me just show you. Also, you can advance, if you click the advanced settings, you can choose the color smoothing right here. Control how smooth color transitions appear, decrease to keep more details. So I want to keep more details and I want it to be smooth. Now let's start the tracer. So it's gonna take a minute or two, so we just have to wait. Okay, so our picture is right here. So we want to add this one to our design. So we add this one to the design. It's like a painting, right? So we just open up like this. And as you can see, when you compare, this one is realistic and this one is a vector. It's like a painting. So if you want to be black and white, there's also, you can also adjust the settings. If you don't like the colors, we can keep it binary. So we have here the color threshold. The higher the color threshold, the darker the picture are, the shadows and everything. So I want to keep it as low as possible. Here, let's do 100 and start tracer. Let's just wait for that one. And easy as that. So this one is too light, so we have to change the vector settings. Let's try the default one, the 120. Okay, vectorizing your image. So this one, and there you go. It's just a shadow and you just add this one to the design. So let me show you. We're just gonna adjust this one. See, it's like a painting. So we have the original photo right here. So let's close this down. We have the original photo right here, the color binding photo, and also the black and white. And that's it. And that's just one of the hidden gems inside Canva. Imagine what else you could create once you know these tools. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Please like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.